A lot's been going on, and it was time to get out of the cold weather and get away from a lot of the projects that typically happen around the farm and on the boat, and just take a break, get away for a little bit. It's been nearly 2 years since I first stepped on the deck of the West Sail 32 after I won the auction for it. A lot of great memories on this boat, so it was worth saving. And just thinking back, de-rigging it, taking down all the parts, clearing it out, shipping it to the farm. It was good to be aboard a different boat, seeing how the finished product looks, how someone else might set it up. It was a good time to just recharge and think about the boat project, think about options as I move forward. But then it sunk in that it's been 2 years, almost 2 years, and that the original plan was a refit in 4. So I began to think of different ways to speed up this project. One of which is every other day, just put in 1 hour, just 1 hour. I can make the time for that. I think I was getting lost in the big projects and trying to figure out, okay, the next step on these larger projects, the engine install, the hull, how the interior is going to look, electric. But there was a lot of things in between that could be done. A lot of little things that I could go ahead and knock out in that 1 hour every other day. So that's what I've been up to. And we enjoyed a good time digging through the boat, getting some ideas, looking at hinges and carpentry and everything in between. But for all the looking around, the reality is not much will change on the interior of my boat. Okay, maybe a few ideas are interesting and might happen. But it's always nice to get a good day's sail. True, it's not always about the big things, the big projects that help you check off that punch list. But it really is going to be about these little projects. I can knock them out. Incremental steps get me closer to getting the larger projects completed. Something as simple as getting the diagram for all the plumbing figured out. So in the very first project, we removed these blocks. The glass was broken anyways. Everything's nice and dry. Labeling different parts, making sure that we can put everything back together with a lot more ease. I mean, not that I can't figure it out, but give myself that quick heuristic to get it all put together.